We're gonna walk around over here. We usually buy the oranges right here, but it's closed. Look at all these, they're still closed. Maybe they're gonna open later, I don't know. It is pretty early though. Shit. I don't want to go over there because they usually have vegetables over there and it gets crazy over there. Y'all welcome to the live. If you're new here, check out all the blogs, like, comment, subscribe. Orange. Orange? Orange. She told me to go to the last one because everyone else is more expensive, but no one is open. Oh.
Ano naman kung orange daw? Wala ilo.
Oh. Pila?
20. Ano po?
Duhan.
Wala.
They're real. They're twice expensive here. Oh my god. Oh. So he's gonna go get change because he doesn't have change. It's 40 pesos for two. That's freaking expensive, bro. I'm gonna get 60 pesos change. She was saying that right there in the corner, the last corner, is where they charge 10 pesos, but it's not even open, so I guess I'll have to get them here. Oh yeah, but like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Check out all the blogs on the channel. And if you're already been here, well, welcome back, y'all. Hopefully it's a good weekend for everyone. God bless everyone, and hopefully it gets better. This guy doesn't have my change.
Pila na silver swan, banda ka tipid anak. Mana? Mangita ko katong anak magkot.
Nanay, dito. Wag ka na.
Katong dako, anak.
Salamat.
Nanay.
Dili na oh. Dili ko, kay ko kwenta. Dili ko ngita.
It's a crazy price.